Contractor Foreman is a versatile construction management software that provides contractors, project managers, and construction teams with a comprehensive toolkit for handling every phase of a construction project. Designed specifically for the construction industry, Contractor Foreman focuses on streamlining key activities such as budgeting, scheduling, client communication, and document management. By simplifying these processes, the platform reduces administrative burden, keeps teams aligned, and ultimately helps companies complete projects on time and within budget. So, in this video, I'll give you a breakdown of Contractor Foreman's features, benefits, and how it can support effective construction management for your projects in 2024. So for the key features of Contractor Foreman, so the first key feature is its project management and scheduling. The project management and scheduling tools are core to Contractor Foreman's functionality. These tools allow users to develop project timelines, assign tasks, and establish milestones, giving managers a clear roadmap of what needs to happen and when. The scheduling feature keeps the team organized by sending reminders and updates so nothing falls behind. This proactive approach to scheduling keeps all stakeholders informed of deadlines and helps ensure that projects stay on track. Another key feature is its budgeting and cost estimation. Contractor Foreman's budgeting tool is designed to help users estimate costs and manage expenses throughout the project lifecycle. With real time cost tracking, project managers can easily monitor spending, adjust budget allocations, and address any potential overruns before they escalate. This feature is particularly valuable for teams that need to maintain strict financial control, as it offers insight into project finances and supports better decision making for resource allocation. Another key feature is the client and team communication. Communication is key in construction management, and Contractor Foreman's platform supports seamless interaction between clients and team members. It includes a client portal where clients can view project updates, approve milestones, and communicate directly with the project team. For internal teams, the platform enables easy task assignment and progress tracking, helping team members stay updated on their responsibilities. By keeping clients informed and providing an organized collaboration space, Contractor Foreman boosts transparency and client satisfaction. Another key feature is the document and photo management. The platform's document management feature allows users to upload, organize, and share important project files such as contracts, blueprints, and permits. Photos from job sites can also be stored and shared, which is invaluable for keeping a visual record of progress and sharing updates with stakeholders. This centralized storage system eliminates the risk of misplaced documents and ensures that everyone is working with the most up to date information, which is critical for effective project coordination. Another key feature is the time tracking and daily logs. Contractor Foreman includes tracking capabilities that allow team members to log hours worked on specific tasks. This makes it easy for managers to understand how resources are being used across the project. Daily logs provide a record of what was accomplished each day, including any challenges or incidents. Together, these features give project managers a clear picture of progress and productivity, helping to ensure that every team member contributes effectively. And another key feature is the safety and compliance. Contractor foreman safety tracking tools help teams maintain regulatory compliance and job site safety. The platform allows users to record incidents, document safety training, and monitor compliance with safety guidelines. This feature not only helps create a safer work environment, but also reduces the risk of legal issues. It's particularly useful in the construction industry, where regulatory requirements and safety standards are strict and essential to a company's reputation and operational success. So, the benefits of using Contractor Foreman. First, it's because of its increased project efficiency. Contractor Foreman consolidates all essential project information in one place, making it easier for teams to operate efficiently. By reducing the need for multiple software solutions or scattered spreadsheets, it enables team members to access everything they need from a single platform. So, another benefit is its cost savings. The platform's focus on budgeting and cost tracking helps prevent unnecessary expenses. By allowing teams to monitor expenses in real time and identify budget risks early, Contractor Foreman keeps project financially stable. Time tracking and resource allocation tools also help managers control labor costs, further supporting cost efficiency and budget adherence. So another benefit is its simplified safety compliance. So safety tools embedded in Contractor Foreman are critical for construction teams who need to manage rigorous safety standards. By documenting safety protocols, incidents, and compliance data, the platform helps companies prepare for inspections and audits. These safety records contribute to a safer work environment and demonstrate a company's commitment to protecting its workforce, which can also help avoid legal complications. So, in summary, Contractor Foreman is an all in one solution for construction management that offers the tools and resources teams need to manage projects from start to finish. Its features, ranging from project management and budgeting to client communication and safety tracking, are crafted to meet the unique demands of the construction industry. By centralizing project information and streamlining communication, Contractor Foreman empowers teams to work efficiently, control costs, and ensure the safety of their workforce. So, for contractors and project managers looking for a reliable, cost effective way to enhance project visibility, improve client satisfaction, and ensure compliance, Contractor Foreman is an excellent choice. So, this tutorial gives a broad overview of the platform's capabilities, helping you see how Contractor Foreman can serve as a foundation for effective construction management in 2024. So, whether you're a small business aiming to simplify your workflows or a larger organization with more complex needs, Contractor Foreman provides the flexibility and tools to help you succeed in a competitive industry. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.